Thank you, mama, for the 9 months you carried me through. All those pain and suffering. No one knows the pressure you bear, just only you. Give you all my love, oh yeah.
Hey guys, it's Kim and welcome to my channel. Today I have a very special video for you guys. This video will actually be dedicated to my mom. My mom's birthday just passed. Her birthday was on June 12th, so please go ahead and wish her a happy birthday in the comments. I just wanted to take this video to show her some appreciation because God knows she deserves it. But before we jump into that, please consider hitting the subscribe button. It really does help me out so much and it is completely free. So please hit that button and join my family. But without further ado, let's jump into this video. Let's talk about my mom. I just want to start off by saying I live in Canada right now and my mom lives in Jamaica, so it does make it a little bit hard for me to see her. I try to travel there to see her as much as possible, but I haven't seen her in 2 years, which is why I might tear up in this video. I had a planned trip to Jamaica in May, a trip planned for Jamaica in May. But unfortunately, those plans were canceled due to the COVID situation. So I wasn't able to see my mom, which was a lot to deal with. Like, I was very depressed for a very long time, just knowing that I had the plan and I was gonna spend some time with her and I wasn't able to see her. That really does break my heart. And even her celebrating her birthday and knowing that I'm not there to celebrate with her. See, I'm already starting to tear up. Guys, I'm very emotional. I'm an emotional person. I cry for everything. So this video is gonna be a struggle. But anyways, it's just hard sometimes knowing that I'm not there to celebrate her birthday. I haven't celebrated a birthday with my mom in a long time. I left Jamaica at the age of 12, and I don't think I've ever been back around her birthday time, so I haven't been able to celebrate with her for a very long time. But I just want to start by saying my mom is literally my best friend. Like, she is my person. She's my person. She's a person that whenever something happens, you know that person that in your head, you're like, okay, I need to tell this person. She's the person that if something happens, I want to call her, even though sometimes her advice irritates the life out of me because my mom's a pastor and she's very holy. She's very holy. So whenever I call her and I'm like freaking out and I just need somebody to like vent to and have that person get mad at the person with me, she's always like the, oh, it's okay, like turn the next cheek kind of person. So sometimes her advice bugs me, but that's my best friend. Like, that's my best friend. Whenever something bad happens, whenever something good happens, I want to tell her. And even when there's like gossip, when there's tea, like I'll call my mom and I'll tell her everything and she will stay on the phone with me for hours, like for hours. Like sometimes I call her like on the way to school or go to work. I go to school really early. I go to work really early and I can hear it in her voice that she's tired. I'm gonna cut this out. But I can hear it in her voice that she's tired and I've never called her and she said, I'm 27 years old. At this age, I should be able to do, I should be fine by myself. So the fact that at 27, the fact that at 27 years old, and I can still call my mom for any single thing and she will sit on the phone with me. The fact that I can sit on the phone, I can call my mom for any single thing, doesn't matter how small, and she will sit on the phone and she will listen and she will give me advice and she won't complain. She won't say she's tired. She won't say, like, she will sit there and talk to me for hours while doing whatever she needs to do. And sometimes I feel guilty, like calling her for the small stuff, like certain things that are really small. Like I promise you, I'll stub my toe and I'll call my mom and I'll rant for an hour and not once will she stop me in that hour and say, why did you call me for this reason? But it's just, I'm saying all this to say, like, my mom is my best friend. She's my built-in best friend. And I thank God for her every single day because without her, I don't know what I don't know where I'd be. Like, my mom is the most supportive person I've ever met. Even when I wanted to start my YouTube channel, like I was so scared to tell everybody because I felt like, oh, they're gonna think it's foolish, they're gonna da-da-da. The moment I told her, she just wanted to make sure I wasn't posting any naked pictures. And the moment I told her that, she was full support, full throttle. Like, she was sending it to her friends. My mom watches every video. Man, Like some people, I know some people are like go all their life, either they don't know their real mom, or their mom isn't really close to them, or like they don't have really good moms. And I have to thank God, because in all aspects of life and all aspects of things, my mom is there. My mom is there. Growing up, I grew up in Jamaica. I grew up in Jamaica from until the age of 12, and we weren't well off. My dad was in Canada. He did what he could do, but I watched my mom wake up hours of the morning, not even the sun is out yet, and she is up, she's ready to go to work. She's like, I watched my mom work some long and hard hours, and I don't know if she remembers. I remember one night, like, I was laying in bed like growing up, and it was like hours in the morning. It was really, really early, and I woke up and I like saw my mom like she was sitting right by the door on the corner of the bed, and I knew, you just tell she was tired, like the time of the morning. And I just like, I think about that. I remember that. I don't remember a lot from my childhood, but there's certain things that I remember, and that is one of them. Like, my mom busted her ass, like every job she had when I was growing up. I remember running to meet her, like when I knew she was coming home. I remember running up the street to meet her. Like, I just remember it. Like, growing up, I used to think my mom didn't like me, because my mom is very much like split justice. Like, I always thought that she would give me the wrong for every single thing in life. Like, even if I felt like I was right, just to like calm things down, as her child, like I don't know how to explain it, but everybody that knows her, all my friends, everybody that hear me, like, I'll speak to her on speakerphone or like bring her on, my mom is genuinely an angel on earth, period. And I already know my family is gonna laugh at me for crying on camera. I already know what's popping. I already know what's coming my way. But I really wanted to make this video. My mom's birthday is very important to me, because she gave life to me. Without her, I wouldn't be here. And even though she gave life to me, she didn't just stop there. She has been in my corner every single step of the way. And I don't see that let up until we both take our last breath. Like, that is my person. Okay. All right. So this part of okay, so this part of the video, I'm speaking directly to my mom. I'm running out of water. My body is literally running out of water. My lashes are coming off, a mess. But this part of the video, I'm talking directly to my mom. Mommy, I love you more than life itself. No, I can't do that part. I can't be crying like this. Man up. Get your shit together. And say how you feel. Get it together. Okay. This part of the video, I'm going to be speaking directly to my mom. Mommy, I love you more than life itself. Happy birthday. I hope you had an amazing day. I really wish I was there celebrating with you. I really wish I was there to make it extra special, because you know I'm extra. But I just want to take this moment just to say I love you more than life itself. Every single thing that you did for me while I was younger, and even until this day, it does not go unnoticed. And every single thing I do in my life is to make you proud. Going to school full-time, working full-time, making the honor roll, every single thing I do in my life is to make you proud. I want to hear those words. You have made me proud. I'm your only child, and I will make you proud. I promise you on everything I love. Before we both take our last breath, I will make you proud. I love you so much, and I'm gonna get off this camera before I continue making a fool of myself. But everyone, please take the chance to go down in the comments and just wish my mom a happy birthday. Monica, I love you more than life itself. You, my friend, God did it. God knew what he was doing when he put you in my life, because I wouldn't have been able to do this thing called life with anybody else. I love you. So to my best friend, happy birthday. I can't even honestly end this video. Happy birthday, mommy. I love you. Until next time, guys, stay fit, stay healthy.